Hello, VAC fans. What do you do when you have a real tall second floor ceiling in an interior hallway and you want to go and dust right in that corner? Here's another view of my 17-foot tall foyer ceiling. So somehow I've got to figure out how to get from the ground floor all the way up here, and I don't want to use, and I don't have a 14, 15, or 16 or 17 foot ladder to get that. I wonder, can we make a 17-foot long Kirby something or other? Well, I guess in order to make my 17 feet work, I'll take a 1988 Heritage 2 Legend with the older, earlier Heritage 2 hose on it, one with the metal ends. Plug it into, how about some G4 extension wands, and then some G5 extension wands, and then some G6 extension wands, and lastly, my newest Kirby, Centria 2 extension wands with a little dusting brush there on the top. So the end result looks something like this. There's all 17 feet. You know, I'd better check the airflow and see if I have any airflow at the end of this monstrosity. A lot less. But there it is. We're going to hook this monstrosity up and see if we can clean some 17-foot tall corners. So that worked. Kind of awkward, but that worked. Thanks for watching.